Hey, what's up guys? So we got another unboxing for you. We have some Maxxima LED 800 lumens Amazon choice cool white daylight white light bulbs. So hopefully I didn't cut through it. You guys get to see it first here. Reason why I got these, because I'm too cheap to get LED lighting for my YouTube channel. So why not get one of these? Okay, here it is. There's all this cool stuff that you love to look at. Alright, so we're just gonna cut to the chase, put these in. See how they look. You see how it is right now? So I got these like light bulb things. Let me see. Got these ones in there right now. That one's missing one because I took it out. Sorry, I got you in there. Whoops. Oh well. We just do this in one take, folks. One take. This is what it looks like in here. Now let's get them plugged up. Check out these light bulbs right here. Check it out. Look at that. Cool white. Look at, that's the one that I had before. Those are 800 lumens dollar store light bulbs that were $1. I got like a million of those, so it came out to like $2 million with taxes. But look at, check that out. Now you can like really see in here. I can't wait to get anxiety from looking at these lights all day. I'm gonna put these lights everywhere. Put them on the roof, put them in my car, put them by my TV, put them in the TV. All right guys, this is the review of that. So let's just cut to the chase. I will see you guys next time.